Hey guys, Weaver here. If you are into having a timer in your classroom, whether it's virtual or face to face, I'm going to show you how to make a timer real quick. It's not actually my own thought or idea, it comes from Alice Keeler, and I thought it was pretty cool, so I'm going to share out. So, anyway, I'll send you the template. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up that template, then you are going to make a copy and make a copy of the entire presentation. Save it to your drive. Wait for it to open up. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. And let's call it, I already have a couple of timers already. Let's call this one, let's say I have a 5-minute timer, I have a 3-minute, no, actually I have a 1-minute timer. Let's make this a 3-minute timer. So make a copy, then you're gonna go to the add-on, create timer. You need to authorize the add-on. So continue. Use your school Google. Allow. So this is basically, while we're waiting for this is basically a good way to have a timer on hand that you can customize. And instead of doing a Google search for a timer, let's say you do a turn and talk and you want it for 1 minute, or you have an activity you want to give them 20 minutes. I don't know. You can project it on the screen. So we created that. And then you just save it to your bookmarks. And then you always have your Google Slide timer. We created a timer. Go back to your add-on because we authorized it. You create a timer. Let's see, I said 3 minutes. So how many minutes? 3 minutes. Click OK. Okay, wait for it. It's going to generate. It's going to do all the math to get the timer going. Okay, so if you see here, you've got all your slides with 3 minutes all the way down to 0. Okay, so after you do that, let's see, you're going to go to File. Actually, you know what? Let's go back here because you can delete this first slide now that you've generated your timer. So the first slide I'm going to delete. Go to File, and we're going to publish this to the web. And we need to advance the slides every second. Okay, and then you're going to start the slideshow as soon as the player loads, and then hit publish, and then OK. And then copy this link. And then you can go ahead and open up another tab and paste that link into your toolbar up top. And as soon as the timer loads, it's going to start the countdown. So I'm going to pause this for a second. Okay, and I'm going to bookmark this as my 3-minute countdown. But let's say you want to customize it. So I'm going to go back to the slide. And if you jumped on board with the whole Bitmoji craze, maybe you want to just throw in your Bitmoji. So we're going to go to our view, and we're going to go to master. And then I'm going to throw in a Bitmoji. So let's just throw in, I don't know. Let's do this one. Let's just call it minute. I don't know. Let's look for Bitmoji. 3 minutes. I'm just going to copy this image, and I'm going to throw it onto the master slide here. Okay, and once I do that, you'll see that generated on all of the slides. You can resize the image as well. And then percent. See what it looks like. I'm going to fix that there. Go back to my view and master. And resize it. Okay. And then I'll go back to the one that I published on the web, and I'm going to refresh it, and then I'll be able to see the Bitmoji that I added in. And there it is. And then it starts automatically your 3-minute timer. So remember to favorite it or bookmark it. And then every time you have a turn of talk or an activity, you can go to your bookmark and click on the timer, and it should generate and start at 3 minutes and start your countdown. There's a 3-minute. You can customize it to whatever you want. Here's a 5-minute, and it just counts down as soon as you make it go live because it's published to the web. Okay? With that, if you have any questions, let me know and I'll help you out. Weaver out.